And welcome. Finally, we are here. I have done lots of recording to start this, but the volume, the audio was not good, so I have to redo it again. And this training is for Workflow Link members. I'm doing it because we want to bring us on the same page on using CMS, Content Management System, to develop a website. WordPress is one of the most popular content management system, and it will help you to develop your website very fast. Within one day, you should be able to develop a full working website. So because of what is happening, coronavirus, we are going to be doing a project on epidemic or pandemic control. We are going to be developing a portal that can manage control. We are going to be doing it for Nigeria, and we are going to be doing this with WordPress for now. Then as we finish learning WordPress, we are going to move it over to Node.js because we want to have API for it. So we're going to do it in Node.js and React eventually, but we want to start with WordPress now so that we can teach our members how to quickly use WordPress to make a website very fast. So I wish you will enjoy it. We are using WordPress. Content management system enables you to develop your website focusing only on the content, so that somebody can easily put any content he wants without putting much energy on the framework or the technologies. You understand? So WordPress is one of the foremost. It helps you. There are two WordPress that we have: WordPress.org and WordPress.com. If you're using WordPress.com, WordPress people are going to be able to run adverts on your website. But if you want to have full control, you want to host by yourself, you use WordPress.org, and that's what we are going to be using. So to start off, quickly go to this website www.wordpress.org and click on this Get WordPress. So once you click on the Get WordPress, try and download the WordPress there so that we can use it to start our WordPress. And once you do that, the next thing is for you to get the XAMPP server. The XAMPP, there are many Apache servers that you can use. You can use WAMP, you can use XAMPP, you can use App Server, but we are going to use XAMPP because XAMPP is so good. I've been using it and it works so efficiently. That's why I want you to use it. So simply get to this website, apachefriends.org/index.html, click on download, and depending on what you want it for Windows, Linux, or OS, depending on your own system. Me, I'm using Windows, so I'm going to click on this one and download it. So those are the two things you're going to do. You see, this is the one I clicked before. So once you click on this download WordPress now, you start seeing your download. So do these two basic downloads. Once you finish downloading your XAMPP, which is your Apache server, because for you to code WordPress, you need what we call PHP version 5.2 and above. You need MySQL and your Apache server. This XAMPP comes with all of them. You can see it: Apache, PHP, Perl, and the rest of them. So that's why you need this very XAMPP. So once you get it downloaded, please install it on your system. How do you know that you've installed it? If you're using what's it called, if you're using Windows 10 like I have, once you finish installing it and you type XAMPP, you're gonna see this control panel. Click on it. That's after installation, so make sure you install, because me, I've already installed. That's why I'm not reinstalling. So click on this very XAMPP control panel. This is where you are going to on your server. How do you know that your server is on? Once you finish owning your server, if you type localhost and it leads you to localhost, then you know that your server is on. Like this one is not going to lead me to localhost because I'm not yet on the PC. The site cannot be reached. But I just clicked on the control panel. Once it comes out, I will now on. You can see it here. It's coming out here. Look at this place. So this is the control panel. So if I click on it, if it comes up, I can on my Apache server and my MySQL server so that I can start coding. So those are the two things you need first. Like I said before, make sure you download your WordPress from WordPress.org, and make sure you download your XAMPP server. So with these two, we can start coding our what's it called, our XAMPP, our WordPress. So those are the two things we need. In subsequent classes, we are going to continue our work, and I wish I will be giving an assignment after every video, and this assignment will let me know that everybody is following up. So what is the assignment I'm giving after this one? The assignment I'm giving is that you are going to let me know that you've installed the two things that I've said by giving me a screenshot. So do the screenshot and upload it in our WhatsApp group for Workflow Link students. Any other student that is following, do the screenshot and put it up. Put a link in the description part of this video. Let me know you're following me and make sure that you're grabbing. So like I said before, we're working on a project, and the project, let me okay, I tried to open the XAMPP control panel. I don't know, it's not up here, so I'll click on it again to open it. So while it is coming up, I want to quickly create a folder on the desktop that will be housing our project, and the name of the folder is going to be National Disease Control Portal. National Disease Control Portal. National Disease Control Portal. NDCP. That's what we're going to be doing. So our new work is going to be National Disease Control Portal. Let me see the way I'm writing this from. So that's all we're going to be having. Okay, see the control panel for the XAMPP. So I'm going to start the Apache server and start the MySQL server. So once your control panel comes up, make sure you start these two things. Once you have stop, and then that means that they've started. So when you now go back to this your local host and refresh, you should be able to see that your server is working. So refresh this, type localhost and refresh. You should be able to see that okay. Wow, 20 of them are open. So let me close some of them. Let me have just this one. So this is start. And make sure that the two of them are started, the Apache and the MySQL. Make sure both of them are started, so that once you go to localhost and refresh, you should be able to come on. Yeah, so you can see localhost as dashboard. See, it's opening now. So I have it up. Wow, so it's working now. So this is how you know that your server has started. So from there we're gonna continue. Please hit the subscribe button,